Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one through Fiverr. I am in Fiverr. I'm working as a Brian 1996, an online senior counsel lawyer who is professional in scholar legal, and also a professional scholar legal writer. So what I'll be doing, you can see my average response time is 1 hour. I'll go. I worked on some client, and I can see my balance is at $20. So what I'll be doing, I'll go process of how to withdraw this cash. So we'll come to, for you to withdraw the cash, you need to come to earnings. So anytime in Fiverr you do for a client an order, you have to wait for 14 days for your cash to move from net income to available balance. We can see available withdraw balance is 20.96. I can see in the other recording, I have a recording that talks about how to buy a Fiverr gig that I bought at 19.95, which was an animated explainer. So we'll come here and say withdraw money from PayPal. You can see transfer to PayPal account. This we'll say confirm and withdraw. It tells me 20.2 are on the way. Find the funds in your account within 7 business days. I'll say that's great. I'll say okay. Once I say that okay, I'll be able to come here and refresh. Once I'm able to refresh, I know these guys never give. I can see it as withdrawn. So we can see an email address that Fiverr International sent me the cash. Thank you.